and gentlemen, today we are celebrating the 3rd anniversary of One Movement. Instead of holding a big event in a hotel or restaurant, we decided to hold our anniversary celebration here at the mountain, and we are now planting trees in 8 hectares land here in Rizal. So we are planting fruit-bearing trees. This is durian. We have coconut trees. We have guyabano and a lot more. So the group who attended, the number of people who attended in this special event, as we also celebrate the Philippine Arbor Day Act of 2012 or Republic Act 10176,